All right, so I've been meaning to do a video about the rig for a long time here. So this is a International 4300 2007 model year DT466 engine in there. It's a medium duty truck. And I got it basically like this, so I didn't have to take off emergency lights or anything. I added solar on the roof, 1600 watts of solar. I have the Starlink in there, so I ran the wire for the Starlink into that pipe, and then it runs down there into the box. But yeah, this is a truck, so it's got air ride seats, which is kind of nice when you're going over the bumps. But it's a truck. My cell phone goes there, GPS, and then that's my backup camera right there. It's got air over hydraulic brakes, and it's a pretty sweet ride. And then in this cabinet here, this big one, I put those shelves in, so I got storage. And then that's my solar system. It's a Oupes Mega 2 with 2 backup batteries, so it provides plenty of power. It's charging right now. Can run the AC, which is really nice to be able to run it at night and have it charge up the next day. Then two big storage things right there. I have a big storage thing right here, tall one, which is kind of nice. I put that cabinet in there, and then there's shelving there and there, so it's great. And then this is my tow dolly. So when I'm ready, which I'm about ready to do tomorrow, put that car on there. This is my Bolt EUV. That goes there. Another really nice, tall, big cabinet here. And then here's one thing that's kind of sweet about this Braun Super Chief. This door here is a slider. It doesn't open outward. And then check it out. Look at that. That is a window unit that I installed in there. And it's properly vented. So basically it goes, the hot air goes down there. Fresh air comes in from the side. See, that's separate. So fresh air comes in the side, and from the other side, hot air goes out. So that's my AC. And then I got my Danby mini fridge right there. It's good enough for me. But yeah, that AC is a game changer, especially on hot nights. So I can run that all night, and then next day the solar charges it back up. So then you come into the box. It's a little messy right now because I'm getting ready to go on my big two-month trip around the world. But the squad bench is right here, and I made it wider. I have these foam mattresses, so I made the squad bench wider, so it's good for one person. Then I actually have it where it can flip open and then go out into the middle, and then it could sleep too if needed. And so all these cabinets that are in here, all high quality, they're all aluminum, welded to the aluminum box, and then they paint everything up. So no rattling, super heavy duty, strong. And like I said, it's a little messy, but almost everything I own is in here. I added in these file cabinets. Got my guitar back there, and actually I can open up that little panel right there, and that's where my cold weather gear is stored. That was basically wasted space, and so that's where my cold weather gear goes. But yeah, a lot of space here with the cabinets. And then this right here, there was a medic seat right there. And this is a Home Depot utility sink, and look at that fit. Perfectly fit in there. And then there's a foot pump down there. I just step on the pump, water comes out. Look at that, pretty cool, huh? So very efficient. And I've got a couple of water jugs, the 5-gallon jugs in that cabinet. And then got a drawer there. Put in a TV. Got a little Roku in case I got that. I have Starlink, so I have that to go online. Electronics cabinet is right in there, so that's where all that stuff is. I took out the captain's chair that was right there, and I just used this one here. I can unfold it when I need it, and then there's a pass-through to get to the front if I need it. And then, yeah, storage right there, storage right there, storage right there. That's where they put their gloves, but that's where I put my my plastic bags for my garbage cans. So this is my home right now, and it's a sweet, sweet ride.